This is Efo Riro, but done properly, not rushed, not random, and definitely not one vegetable efo. One of the biggest secrets to efo that slaps is variety of vegetables, peppers, and of method. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I build flavor step by step. Before the blended pepper goes in, I fry my locust beans with chopped onions. This step wakes up the flavor of the iru and removes any raw taste. Then I add the pepper mix. I blend them roughly, not smooth, and I make sure the pepper is plenty, so when the vegetables go in, the ratio is about 2 to 1. I don't add all my proteins at once. First, I add blended crayfish, then catfish, and I let it cook properly. Once it's done, I take it out and set it aside. After that, I introduce my meat, shaki, and cow skin, so each one infuses its flavor into the pepper paste. This part is very important. I don't add all the vegetables at once. I start with the one that wasn't blanched. I let it cook gently on low heat for about 5 minutes. Then I add the blanched vegetables still on low heat so they stay green and slightly crunchy. I don't use just one vegetable for Efo Riro. In this pot, I used 3. Sometimes I use up to 5 because each vegetable brings a different taste and texture. That mix is what gives depth to the soup, not just color. This is why my Efo Riro hits different. Layered flavor, patience, and intention. Serve with swallow of choice or rice.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Welcome to Funky Show.